Hello friends, I am Assistant Professor Vaishali Raut, KVN Naik College, Nasik. Today we are going to study a simple lesson, Introduction to pH metry. The content of these lessons will be aim, introduction, working principle of the instrument, that is pH meter, methods and materials that are used for analysis, and various applications of pH metry. The figure shows the simple instrument called as pH meter. pH meter is a device that is used for measuring the pH of the solution. So let us first of all know what is meant by pH. pH is a mathematical expression that tells us about the concentration of hydrogen ions. pH is mathematically given as pH is equal to minus log of hydrogen ion concentration. To measure the pH of the solution, we use pH meter. This instrument was first found out or figured out by American chemist Arnold Beckman in 1934. It is a simple device which measures the acidity of the sample. As hydrogen ion concentration increases, the pH of the solution decreases and vice versa. The simple principle of operation is the instrument that we use is a potentiometric pH meter. It measures the voltage between two electrodes and displays the result converted into corresponding pH value. It comprises of simple electronic amplifier and a pair of electrodes. It usually consists of two electrodes, glass electrode and a reference electrode, or alternatively a combination of both, that is called as combined electrode. The instrumental setup that we get generally has two electrodes, glass electrode and a reference electrode. Glass electrode is a pH sensitive electrode and reference electrode is a calomel electrode, which is a secondary reference electrode. In addition to these, the instrument also contains buffer capsules and an electronic input device. The buffer capsule, the introduction of the two types of electrodes. The two electrodes are glass electrodes, as we have already discussed. It is a glass electrode which is actually going to give us the pH of the solution. It is pH sensitive glass electrode. And another electrode is a calomel electrode, which is a secondary reference electrode. The glass electrode consists of an internal reference electrode, that is silver chloride electrode, and at the bottom the glass electrode has the small glass bulb. This glass bulb is made up of pH sensitive glass. Inside the bulb there is a 0.1 molar HCl solution which is in contact with the sample solution. These two electrodes combinedly produce the effect of EMF. This EMF is converted into pH of the solution. The modern pH electrodes are generally combination type. They are in the form of a single cylinder with the reference electrode inside and the glass membrane electrode outside. It is represented in the following representation. The buffers are also included in the instrument. Buffers are nothing but the solutions which have constant pH, and this pH does not change by addition of acid or base to the solution. The pH instrument is calibrated with the help of buffer. Most of the pH electrodes are temperature sensitive. So even temperature setting knob is provided with the pH meters. But this temperature setting knob only affects the pH output of the electrode but does not affect the temperature of the solution. Now let us study the method of using pH meter. The pH meter is attached first of all to the input. Then pH electrode is inserted or is attached to the pH meter. A buffer solution of pH 4 is prepared and the electrode is dipped into the buffer solution. The pH meter is adjusted in such a way so that the output is given pH is equal to 4. The pH meter is similarly calibrated for pH is equal to 7 and pH is equal to 9. The electrode is then wiped off carefully and dipped in the test solution. This is how the pH of the solution can be determined directly. Now let us see the applications of this pH metry in short. pH metry is very useful as with the help of pH meter we can determine the pH of the soil, which in turn affects the fertility of the soil. It is used in the chemical laboratories to determine the pH of various solutions. Even the pH of the blood sample can also be determined, which is useful for knowing the various reactions going on in our body. So it is used in healthcare, in clinical operations. It is also useful in environmental remediation. It is used for knowing the pH of the swimming pool. So it has endless applications. Thank you.